Mom, and today I'm going to show you how to put together a shortcut, quick and easy pineapple upside down cake, starting off with a cake mix. Now we're going to be using a cake mix to cut back on time, but we're not going to cut down on flavor. You won't even be able to tell the difference between this and a traditional from scratch, completely from scratch, pineapple upside down cake. Let me show you how to throw it together. I've got a 9 by 13 pan sitting here, and in my bowl I have a 1/4 cup of butter, unsalted butter that has been melted, and I'm going to pour it in there. Twirl it around to make sure it's coated. And now in this bowl I have a heaping cup of brown sugar, a heaping packed cup of brown sugar, and I am going to sprinkle that over top. Now I have a 20-ounce can of pineapple rings here in juice. I have drained the juice and put it in my little measuring cup here. Should be about a cup's worth of it. I'm going to set that aside, and I'm going to go ahead and take my rings out, and I'm going to set them on top of the butter and brown sugar. Now the last little row I've cut into half rings because a whole ring doesn't quite fit, so you may have to do that too depending on the size cake pan that you're using. And now I'm going to put maraschino cherries in the middle of each pineapple ring hole. Now some people just put them in the pineapple ring holes, but I like to lay them all around, so that's what I'm going to do. Now that this part of the cake's done, it's time to move on to making the cake batter. I've got 1 box of yellow cake mix. You can use whichever brand you would like to use. I'm going to add that to my bowl. Now I'm going to follow directions on the back of the box with the eggs and the oil. I'm going to add however much it says for the eggs and the oil, which for mine is 3 eggs and a 1/4 cup of oil. For the water, don't use the water, use the reserved pineapple juice that you drained off the canned pineapple a little while ago. If you don't have enough pineapple juice, then add enough water to that cup to where you have the amount you need for the cake mix. Thankfully, I have just enough juice, which is 1 cup, to make my cake mix. I'm going to add my pineapple juice to my cake batter and 3 eggs and a 1/4 cup of oil, vegetable oil. I'm going to mix that together. You could pull out your electric mixer and do it that way, but I'm going to do it by hand. Now I'm going to pour the cake batter on top of these pineapple rings. And I'm going to spread it evenly on top. So I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees. I'm going to put this inside and let it bake for about 45 minutes, give or take a few minutes. So my cake is coming out of the oven, and I am putting a heat-proof pan on top of it because I'm about to flip it. This is the moment of truth, y'all. Make sure it's lined up good. All right, there we go.